Morning, lovely people. So in this video we'll be going and bringing some stones closer to the building site. The stones which our neighbor gave it away, they are on the neighbor's land, because probably next week or the week after we might have some professional help in raising these walls up. Also, we'll be clearing a patch of neighbor's land from where the fox attack on our chicken happened. We believe so. I'll be doing some repairs to the tractor, and G will be doing
cleaning eucalyptus forests.
Oh yeah.
And breaking the camera.
And smashing a camera microphone.
Yes.
That's the headlights of this video.
Hello everyone, we are Andres and Giedre. We spend years and years dreaming and planning on how we can quit and leave boring and meaningless city life behind and live more sustainable, healthier, slower paced life in the countryside. And in 2022 our dreams came true. We sold our home in the UK and set off to sunny central Portugal. It wasn't plain sailing from the beginning. Buying our off-grid homestead cost us a lot of patience and time. Follow our journey from the very beginning, and we really hope it will inspire someone else to make that choice, as life is just too short for 9 to 5 work to pay bills routine. And yes, we do regret one thing about our journey. It's the fact we haven't started it earlier.
Good morning. Today, while Sandra's working somewhere else, I wanna tackle one last area in eucalyptus forest. So we'll be ready for summer.
Good morning, lovely people.
Good morning, Angel.
Apologies for the sound, because my lovely wife smashed the microphone cable yesterday. And talking about the smashing things, this is the king, this is the phone smasher. If you want to find out why we call it a phone smasher, you can see one of our videos. It was probably about a month ago, when this little thing destroyed my phone completely. So today it's the time to give a little bit of love to it. To start with, for those who don't know, it has two chains underneath which spins round, and you can see there's quite a bit of wear on them, like this one. Looks like a razor blade. So I've been in a tractor shop yesterday. I placed an order for engine oil pressure sensor, which arrives today in a shop, and also I'm gonna replace them two chains. I'm gonna put longer ones. I mean, I measure it. It's got 5 links each chain, and it's possible to put 8 for them to be able to spin freely underneath that stuff. My toilet!
Oh my god.
And also today we got some more sand.
Because next week...
No, don't spoil it.
Okay.
We're saying nothing.
Okay, we're saying nothing.
As I was going to open our front gates for the sand delivery this morning, I noticed one amazing thing. This was a olive tree stick, probably about 1.5 meters height, like that, which I put in the ground in March, not this year, last March, when we arrived on the property. This stick been in the ground for, well, the whole summer last year. This field is just a desert during the summer. And when we were harvesting olives last season, I decided to pull it out. It was all black on the top, dry. So when I pulled it out, I seen it that about that much in the ground is still green. So what I did, I just put it back. I put it back in the same hole and then cut it using the pruning saw. And have a look, guys. What comes out more than a year later. This is a young olive tree, and I believe is growing from that stick. It's amazing.
It's a miracle.
No, it's amazing how strong they are.
Shall we water?
We need to make sure we're gonna put a stick over there that when I'm cutting the grass, I won't cut it.
Birds. And I was busy getting my jars clean. Come, I got so many. They all stacked nicely now. This is for cucumbers, some for tomatoes. So I'm getting ready.
And we still have a leftover from last year.
Yeah, we still got some precious tomatoes.
Got some mushrooms we foraged.
And we've been eating them. And we're still alive.
We're still alive, you said?
Yeah!
While waiting for the call from the tractor shop, we decided not to start anything serious, so at the moment we're gonna pick old grape vines from this field because they are just brilliant wood for barbecue.
And we love barbecue.
I went over with the phone smasher yesterday, and there was probably about 30-40 grape vines on this field. The reason why we're removing them, because we're not getting any grapes from them. This field during the summer just becomes a desert. We left some of the grape vines just along our dirt track. Those had a little bit of grapes last year. I mean, all this field is probably about an acre, more than an acre, and we managed to harvest about a bucket full of grapes. Where in our main garden, where we have about probably, I would say, 20 grape vines, we picked, I don't know, probably 150 kilos or even more. So the only way for us having grapes on this field is to water the grapevines, which will be expensive, time consuming, and it's just not worth it. We have enough grapes for our own consumption in our main garden. And also by removing them, we're gonna have plenty of the firewood for our barbecues. Nothing beats the grape wine.
Wine?
Grape wine.
You said wine?
Grape wine. Everyone is invited for barbecue. We got enough wood. Should we reveal the sad news now?
Yeah. Two sad news.
In a minute. Let's go.
No more for you.
So guys, the sad news are that we lost the chicken just recently, a couple of days ago, Monday I think it was. It was not that brown chicken which got attacked a week ago, it was another brown chicken. We had 3 of them in total. And
We're not sure how.
well, it's a fox.
Well, we didn't see anything.
You seen it yesterday
The fox, yeah.
on our neighbor's land. And strangely, none of our neighbor's chickens are coming on our land anymore. If you remember a few videos back, G cleared area near our greenhouse, which was quite bushy overgrown, to reduce the risk of fox, you know, stalking the chickens, you know, sitting, hiding in there. But obviously that was not enough. And after we're gonna have some tea, we're gonna go and clear our neighbor's bit of land, because G got in contact this morning and to ask her permission if we can cut a few Spanish brooms, the bushes which grow everywhere, and they, you know, they regrow very fast. There's no use of them anyway.
And another news, sad news.
We've got more sad news?
Yes.
Oh, you leaving? Yeah, G won't be living with me anymore, so
That's a good news for you, though.
I'll be restoring this property on my own.
Oh my god. Again I said that. No, it's about another chicken who was sitting on the eggs, and
She changed color.
color.
That chicken became yellow.
No, just a beak, not the entire chicken.
No, the whole head became yellow, and
Yes.
she's not sitting on eggs
She's
anymore.
not. She changed her mind. She said she doesn't want chicks anymore. So yeah. No chickens, little chickens.
Okay, we're ready to go and destroy some Mrs. Fox's habitat, the hiding place. Let me show you something first.
Oh, I can see.
Have a look. Got brand new chains for phone smasher. And they're longer, 3 links longer. So better cutting quality.
Yeah. Better keep your phone on the table. So whilst I'm just cutting the grass, I'm gonna let chickens out, because I believe the noise what tractor makes gonna keep the foxes away. And I'm gonna look for Guppy. I think I close the caravan doors and he's by inside. Hey, come on. You're free. Anna. Sandra. Hey, let it go. I think this field is ready to plow, and
There we go. Nice and clear path for the fox to come in.
yeah.
That she can run with the chicken faster.
Oh, it's not funny. Morning.
Lovely people.
Oh,
Welcome to sunny Portugal. Just don't get fooled by the blue skies and the sun. Last night the temperatures were just a few degrees above freezing. So that's probably why we're struggling with the garden like last year. But I think tomatoes, they will survive. You know?
oh yeah.
The other thing, guys, we have not so good news about foxes around our area. After speaking to the neighbor, I think they just basically stay somewhere around us. I just seen a fox probably about 15 minutes ago. Now it's 11 o'clock in the morning, 10 something. And yeah, so we have to be more careful. So I think I mentioned before that we're getting some professional help with our stone extension, our kitchen. And probably next week or so we're gonna have builders coming to do a day or two of work. And today my plan is, we're standing on a neighbor's land now, to go through all this pile of rocks and pick the nicest ones and take it closer to the building site. That we would be able to build it quicker. That different shape and size stone will be in our eyesight. I found it as the easiest way, where you can have a different shapes in front of you. So yeah, and G is going to eat apples today. Bit by bit, stone by stone, we're gonna build your kitchen.
About people watching it.
I think them two will be enough.
I think so too.
For the tractor, not for us.
No.
Tractor is going forward. That's half of the wall already.
Beautiful.
When I mentioned that we want to use this one for a shelf or something inside, what I meant, guys, you know, when you're building from stone, you build actually two walls, outside and inside wall, and you basically fill the gap between them with smaller rocks and concrete or lime mixture. So what I meant by making a shelf is to put this one on the inside wall, and all this opening will be like a shelf inside the wall.
What do you think?
I mean, I've seen lots of old Portuguese barns where they had similar something like that. Not that big, the smaller shelf, in-wall shelf. I think like long time ago probably they used to keep candles there or something, looks like, or religious stuff. Yeah, we can have it as well. To put a few candles.
Yeah.
So romantic.
You are. In my kitchen.
Guppy,
Don't think so.
why are you stepping on our shelves? We're having a romantic spell.
Oh.
Gav.
Okay.
By the way, Gaffy got a haircut. Did you mention it,
I
guys?
did. You done it, I said.
No. I would have done a better job.
Oh, yeah.
A Jack Russell style.
Yes, Gaffy. Gaffy, look at us. Hey. Okay. Gaffy.
Okay guys, so I think we're gonna finish this video with this big boy. We still got plenty of them which needs to come here from our neighbor's land, and as of today I think we're done. We'll go for some lunch, right G?
Yes.
Good.
For some evening meal. Oh, yeah. And a meal with our subscribers.
Lovely.
We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to press your like, guys,
And subscribe.
and subscribe, because half of you are watching without a subscription.
Yeah.
52% to be precise. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. That helps a lot for the channel to grow. And thank you for your comments. Please leave a comment if you have a question, what we're doing and why we're doing. You can always leave a comment. So see you in the next one. Bye.